Man, I feel like we haven't really hung out since the wedding, have we? I mean, we've seen each other, but like,
not actually hung out.
Oh, you want a napkin?
Probably would usually chews on them and then had to take them away because they started deteriorating into his mouth.
He's like, why eat them? I have food.
Trying to get to say mama, but all he says is dada.
Yeah, I saw that on Snapchat.
Mama. Mama.
Mom.
Here's the icing, which is my favorite. I ate it last now because I'd always eat it first, and then like the rest of it was like not as good. Like it's good, but like, you know, like that's the best part. So
say mum.
his face, he's like, what you talking about, Willis? Shane and Jacob stayed at my house a couple of times because they'd go to the firehouse the first night and I went and picked them up and they're like, can we just crash here? And then the second night I went out with them and then we came back there. And
oh my god, are you gonna tell me about the
Paul?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're like, Shane said he looked like Paul Giamatti, and then like I didn't see it, and I was like, no, stop saying that. And then later on, he made a face, and I was like, I hate you guys. And so now all the time, whenever I send them like pictures of them or videos, they're like, Paul. And then
they're calling him Paul, right?
yeah, he laughed, but he doesn't anymore. But and then we went somewhere, or no. When we went out to the firehouse the next night, and Shane's like, I wish Paul was here, and I was like, you wish my 10-month-old baby was at a bar. He's like, Paul is a grown man and he can do what he wants.
Have that? Gotta make sure I don't get any nuts in there.
That's what she said.
Hey.
What the heck? Is it because you got asked for extra caramel? Because like, dang.
I love extra caramel
Is that good stuff?
This is my first thing I've eaten today.
Same.
Man, we should have got some lunch.
Yeah.
You can if you want to.
See, he gets mad. He gets mad. He's got like a... he's like... Yeah, are you a little grump? He's like, see what she's saying about me?
Say mum. He's like, no lady, have you not seen my mom's Snapchat?
He says hi and hey, like, so earlier somebody said hi and he was like, hi. Hi.
What was his first word?
Sure did. Well, he like gibbered a little bit, you know, like just random nonsense, but then like his first thing was like, dada.
He sees your drink, he's like, oh.
Yeah, you can't have that.
No, because of coffee.
You'll get like secondhand coffee through breast milk, but you know. Dada, what? No, mama. Mom.
Yeah, since I haven't been taking like my medicine, like I've been feeling better, like not sleeping all day. I mean, some days I do. But that's just a given. But I'm not sleeping.
Even when I was on my school off, I would still like be tired.
I'm starting to like my blood sugars are starting to get a lot better. Like when I seen Dan, he said that he wanted to keep me on the Trintellix.
You're still taking your insulin though, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Taking my insulin and I'm taking my birth control.
Well, you were like, I'm not on my medication anymore, and I heard you say you're still on your birth control, but I didn't hear the other part, so then I was like, wait.
Yeah.
Because like, yeah, I don't know, did you used to do that on purpose? Not take your insulin? Because I was watching this thing on, it was on TV, and it was basically like a form of like an eating disorder, because they knew like if they took it, then, like if they didn't do it, they'd lose weight. And so I was like,
I did that a couple times, yeah, because like when your blood sugar's high, you're peeing more and you're not eating as much. Like, yeah, I've done that a couple times, like in middle school.
Yeah, you think so?
High school.
Oh, look at your real cute face. Look at your real cute.
I don't have food.
He's like,
get away from me there. What woman?
You want me to give you some fruits or something?
He's like, fruit? What? Did you see that? I was like, yeah, we can get some fruits or something, but...
Have you seen the new meme that's like, the, oh my god?
Yeah.
Okay, the best one ever that makes me laugh every time is when it's like, my organs when I finally drink water and eat fruits and vegetables, and it's like, wow, oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
I was like, that's me.
Yeah, it's so funny, huh?
No, I can't sleep alone. Kiss me like you love me for life, even if it's only one night, even if it's only one night. 'Cause I've been coming down that next slope, drinking in the morning to get up and go. Now I can't sleep alone. Now I can't sleep alone. I can't sleep alone in my home. No, I'm in my fucking zone, in my zone. You smell like you. You smell like you move right, saying late night driving. Didn't hear my phone ring. My phone rang. See me like you're having me, yes. Tell me that
Well, and by we, I mean me and Baby.
I haven't changed. Tell me that I haven't changed.
I'm ready to go get some
I can't sleep
food on my bowl.
Now I can't sleep alone.
This is what it looks like when you get your nacho fries home.
I can't sleep alone.
Yeah?
No, I'm in my fucking
Come on, come get more. Okay, so my dog is currently peeing everywhere he can. But like literally, he pees all over the place. Why do my hairs look so yellow on this camera? I don't get it. And the neighbors have their big dogs out that like to bark. My dog's a big dog. He doesn't bark. So, you know, I'm not saying that it's a problem, but I'm just like, feeling bad. Like, you have all this yard you could pee or poop in, but you always gotta go in everybody else's. You know, what's up with that? Oh gosh, hold on. Got the cord wrapped around your leg. Thanks for that. Baby.
Well, now he's gonna see it.
Alright, come sit by me.
Look at these sweaters. There's so many sweaters on. Look, Mommy, look, that's you. That's you lay on the
Let
bed.
me clean off this like chocolate line.
Ooh.
Here. Get a little bit of chocolate on your face. Alright.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
I see a guy out from the distance.
Look, up there.
That tree.
Who's that?
Me,
Okay, well,
And who else?
you,
What's my name?
Audrey, and Tasha.
You call me mommy though. You wanna sing me the hand clap song?
No.
tagged.
Why not?
Yes.
Okay, sing it.
It's
You're
going
gonna stick your asshole just a little farther out. Now flip it. Got it.
You know the words.
I'm
How's your ear doing?
in the process of being shot at right now. Trying to figure out where all these shots are coming in from. That's not the same guy.
What? She's down here with me. She's right on my lap.
Tiny
Where?
get out?
You're done?
Yeah.
Can you look at the camera and say bye, everyone?
Bye, everyone.
Got it.
Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, 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 bye.
Say, I can make your hands clap.
Come on. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, bye, bye. Oh.
Okay, love you.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping.